The pH level is an important factor in gardening because it affects the availability of nutrients to plants. For slight background, the pH scale measures the acidity of a substance with a pH of 7 being neutral, lower pH values being acidic, and higher pH values being basic. Most plants prefer slightly acidic soil with a pH range of 6 to 7, although some plants may prefer more basic soil. When the pH is too high or too low, it can limit the availability of certain nutrients that plants need to grow, thus leading to nutrients deficiencies. By monitoring and adjusting the pH of your garden soil, you can optimize nutrients availability and ensure that choice your plants of choice are getting the nutrients they need to thrive. The way pH is adjusted is by adding soil amendments to adjust the pH level to the appropriate range of your plant. Temperature and humidity are important in gardening because it affects the growth and development of plants. Furthermore, it affects the availability of plants to absorb water and nutrients through their leaves, as well as the rate of transportation from the leaves. Different plant species have different optimal temperature ranges for growth and reproduction. When the temperature is too low or too high, it can negatively impact plant growth, yield, and overall health. In addition to affecting plant growth, the temperature can also impact the germination of seeds, the development of flowers, and the onset of plant diseases. Moving towards humidity, we see that when the air is too dry, plants lose moisture quickly, which can cause wilting and stress. Conversely, when the air is too humid, it makes it difficult for plants to release excess moisture, which can lead to fungal disease and other issues. In addition to affecting plant health, humidity can also impact the growth of beneficial insects, such as bees and butterflies, which play an important role in pollination. High humidity can also create an ideal environment for pests and diseases to thrive. Therefore, gardeners often monitor temperature and adjust growing conditions accordingly to ensure optimal plant growth and health, as well as monitoring humidity levels and taking steps to regulate them as needed. As shown on the left, we divided the 11 by 75 foot area into 7 5 by 15-foot plant beds, leaving a good amount of walk space. Furthermore, we divided the 40 by 82-foot area into 16 plant beds. The walkways are about 5 feet in terms of width, so to whom it may concern has enough space and room to move freely. To add upon this, the big walk space allows an easy redesign or moving of things in case of changed circumstances and or particular changes. We also plan on setting up the thermometer in areas to keep track of temperature. Moving forward, we have a 5 by 15 foot long plant bed in which we can plant whatever desired greenery we want. Besides the obvious dirt and plants, we have a drip system for irrigation as shown by the hoops around the plants and a 3-in-1 sensor to measure moisture, light levels, and pH. Furthermore, we have things such as a humidifier and a dehumidifier to deal with humidity.